Okay, so here it is. It's our first look at the Makita cordless 10 1/4. Cordless, brushless, Wi-Fi, whatever they call it, security system. Magnesium, pretty light, to be honest with you. Now, I'm set to max, but I have resawn lumber here, so I'm a little short. So that's 4 7/8, or I'm sorry, 3 7/8. So it's not gonna cut all the way, but for your standard 4x4s and your standard 4x6s and your standard 4x8s, your standard 4x12s, 4x10s, this is resawn, so it's a little bit thicker. So let's give it a go around. Let's hear it. There's the noise to it. Press it left or right. Nice break. So let's try it.